Hi guys, Ness here. Thanks for joining my video. This video is about GDI, Global Domains International. And today I want to show you my payment proof, okay, from GDI that I got from Global Domains International. So if you want to stay updated, click on the subscribe button above this video, and you can get all the videos that I'm uploading to YouTube. And if someone sent you to watch this video about GDI, go to this person and sign up under him, okay? But if you don't have account in GDI and you want to join GDI and you need a mentor, so you can find my link in the description below this video. Join me if you're looking for a good mentor. If you want me to help you to grow your online business, click on the link below, and let's make a big team together so I can help you to achieve your goals in online marketing. Okay, so you can watch my previous videos about Global Domains International. Sorry guys, 1 second. Okay, so you can watch these two videos, my previous videos about Global Domains International, how much money you can earn in GDI per month, and Global Domains International best MLM business since 1999. Okay, so GDI is an MLM business. It's a real company with a real product and with the real service, and of course they have a support team. So if you need a website, every online marketer needs a website, and they have of course amazing compensation plan with a matrix, a matrix with 5 levels deep. You can earn off from 5 levels deep in the matrix. They are paying since 19 years. Okay, they are so really trusted company, really good company, and I want to show you my results in Global Domain International. Okay, so this is my outlook. You can see also how many people join me in GDI. You have a new affiliate. My user is Nessie30. Okay, and you can see how many people joining my network every day, and also it's a team effort. Okay, so you can see, for instance, you can see Jasan Nuiri just help your downline to grow. So we get a notification every time somebody joins our network, and it doesn't matter if it's a direct referral or it's somebody in your network that helped somebody else to join the business. So we get, every time somebody joins, we get a notification, we get an email from the system. So I really like that, because we can see, in the matrix, we can see who is under who, and so forth. So you can see payment proof from, you can see how many people, it's a lot of people joining, because if you take action, you get the results. So you can see over here, this is my first payment proof from Global Domains International. This is in my Outlook. Okay. Hello, Nessie Coin. Global Domains International has sent you $70. This is for the August commissions. Okay, and it's growing every month. The amount is growing every month because people are using the website. Okay, people are using the website and they promote it, and they want to earn from the compensation plan. So it's getting bigger every month. People are making a lot of money. People who joined a few years back are making a lot of money. So it's a good time to join right now, because it's a lifetime opportunity. It's an income for life. If you are action taker, it's really amazing business. Okay, so that was I got this payment in September 12th, right? So they're paying every 15th of the month or before. And yesterday in the evening, I got you can see you have a new customer sign up. You you have a new customer sign up. All these emails are coming from WS stands for website. Okay, the domain is they are selling the WS domains. Okay, since 1999. And you can see I got another payment yesterday. You can see the amount is growing month after month. So I got $117 into my PayPal yesterday, September. This is for the September 2018 commissions. Nessie 30 is my username, as I said. Okay, so you can see they are paying, they are trusted, and you can build a big team, a big income month after month, and I really recommend this company. Okay, so if you want to join my team, click on the link below. I will leave all my contact details under this video, in addition to my referral link, so you can contact me on Facebook, and I will leave the WhatsApp group. I have a WhatsApp group, so you can ask questions. You can join the WhatsApp group and ask questions if you need more info. If you have questions regarding this program, okay, join the WhatsApp group. I will leave the link of the WhatsApp group under this video. Join the WhatsApp group and ask me whatever you want, so we can have a direct communication between us. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. Join my channel, my YouTube channel. If you like this video, give me a like, give me thumbs up. If you don't like it, give me dislike. It's okay, it's fine for me. And God bless you. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.